Paradigm shifts are not common, but we've been lucky to experience some of the paradigm shifts that are happening in the industry. We saw the upcoming wave of AI and how it's changing the world. But I've just experienced the same paradigm shift when it comes to managing and building WordPress websites. I've been building WordPress websites since 10 years, managing them, using them for e-commerce, using them for blogs, content websites, etc., all that jazz. But this is the first time I'm truly excited to share how I'm going to build and manage WordPress websites in the future. I'm talking about using AI to manage, build, and do basically everything on a WordPress website with the power of MCP. Let me show you how it works and how it's going to revolutionize the way you work with WordPress. So my tool of choice in the MCP world for using my website with WordPress is WP Vibe. It's a free plugin and it can do basically everything when it comes to WordPress. So if I show you the pricing, absolutely free for unlimited websites. It's a usage-based plugin. So depending on how many times you call your website, it's going to charge you or limit you accordingly. So you can use the free plan, which I think I have, but you can pay for a monthly plan, which is $20, very cheap. And you can pay annually to get even a better discount. So just $99 a year, no limits on the amount of websites you can connect. So if you have a small operation across multiple websites, which I do, I have, I think, 4 websites. So I'm probably going to pick up that plugin because that's going to solve all my problems. Right now I'm on the free plan. And let me show you how to use this to completely manage your website in an absolutely beautiful way. So let me go back to my website here. And I already have the companion plugin installed, but I'm going to show you the process anyway. So all you have to do is go to plugins, go to add plugin, similarly how to you install any plugin. And once it loads, just search for WP Vibe. It's easy to find. And once you do find the plugin, you can just install it right now. You can see I have to update it or it's just reached an update. So let me update the plugin. Once the plugin is updated and installed for you, you'll start seeing the plugin here. So all you have to do is go to WP Vibe here and connect your website. Mine is connected, but I'm going to show you the process anyway. So all you have to do is install the plugin, which you already do. Then you have to add a custom MCP server or a client or a connector, depending on the client you're using, to your account. So I'm using Claude, the pro version of Claude. I'll just bring the window here and I'm going to show you how I set it up. So all I have to do is go into my account here and go into settings. And once inside the settings, you have to go to connectors. And inside connectors, you can see I have WP Vibe already installed, but all you have to do is click add and you can see add a custom connector. And once you see it, all you have to do is go back and you'll have this MCP server that you have to just add to the account. So if I show you again, all you have to do is just name it. You can name it WP Vibe and you can just paste it once again. I'm going to show you how it works. So WP Vibe, and you go back, you copy this server and you go back here and you paste it and just you place add. It takes a couple of seconds. Once it's done, then it gives you the next set of instructions. Then your setup with Claude is done once you've done this. I already have it done. So I'm going to just exit here and just leave it persistent here. And once you're done, then you ask your Claude or whatever account you have to actually connect using the server. And I'll give you a one-time link to click, which will bring you back to the website, which will create an application password. That part I've already connected, so I can't show you. But if you go to settings and you see application passwords, you'll see a username with WP Vibe connected. That is how WP Vibe and Claude will connect to your website. So the official method is the abilities API and the application passwords. That's how it's going to work. So once that's done, you're basically done. Your website is connected. It just takes a couple of minutes. And now let me show you what powerful things we can do on a website. So I'm using Sonnet Hive 5, but you can use any other model. Opus 4.8 works as well. I'm going to ask it to connect to my website. So I'm going to just copy the link here of my website and I'm going to ask it to connect. So just type the prompt here. And I'm using Cowork because I have a lot of different chats. I'm just using Cowork. You can use chat or Cloud Code as well. And by the way, this works perfectly with any client that is supported. So it works with Gemini, it works with ChatGPT, even Grok, and any other model that supports custom connectors. So it'll work perfectly fine. So now you can see that it's using the connector that we have, WP Vibe, and it's already connected. Say, hey, it's connected. It's showing the theme, the plugins installed, WP Forms, etc. Everything. So I'm going to ask it to list all the different things I can do on my website in a specific way. So I'm going to ask it this. Based on the plugins you have on the website, can you list out all the things we can do on the website using WP Vibe and just create a table for me so I can easily understand what different functionality is supported with WP Vibe based on the plugins that you're using. So that's the prompt. Let's run it. So the table is being built, and this is something that should blow your mind. This is everything that you can do based on the plugins they've installed on your site just by talking to AI. So all in SEO, the best SEO plugin for WordPress, you can read and update posts, term SEOs, audit homepage, site-wide SEO health, manage robot.txt, manage redirects, view 404 logs, pull search console stats, page performance, admin notifications. Seedprod, you can list, create, update your landing pages, templates, theme parts, and toggle coming soon and maintenance modes, enable, disable the theme builder, and import a complete theme. For WooCommerce, you can query order and products, add order notes, update order status, create, update, and delete products. And WP Forms, you can list, create forms and fields, read from schema, update form settings, pull entry summaries, individual entries, etc. And with WP Code, you can list snippets, manage snippets, create new snippets, add them on the fly on your website, and all of this completely with AI. And not to mention, you can do the regular stuff like posting content and managing your pieces of content. Let me show you a couple of examples on how powerful this actually is. I'll give you a simple example that I'll use. Using the WP Vibe connector, can you find all the different images on my website that don't have an alt text set for them? Now, it took some time, but here's a complete list of all the images on my website that have an alt text missing. Almost 127 images that have alt text missing. Now, imagine how much time would it take for you to find this image or find this entire list manually. That's the power of MCP. Let me also show you something extremely interesting. Check the website for WP Forms and tell me if you have the ability to create new forms. So the ability to create a forms is present. Let's give you a complex command which does multiple things. I wanted to create a new page on the WordPress website. Call it something like job application. Write a small description for a dog walker and create a WP Forms form with basic information like name, email, phone number, and make sure to have a file upload field for the resume upload process. Let me know if you have any questions. And now the prompt is running. So this one ran into a snag as well because I forgot to enable this feature, which is the form write options with MCP. So you can see WP Forms actually connects with WP Vibe. So inside the settings, you have AI MCP option. I just enabled it. Now I'm going to run the command again. Yes, please publish the page and send me the link here so I can click and open it in the browser. And the page is published. Let's check it out. I'll click here. Let's open the link and it's done. I did not touch my WordPress website for any of this. That's the beautiful power of MCP. But we're not done. Let me demonstrate a couple of other exciting use cases that you can use with WP Vibe to set up and manage your WordPress website. Can you verify if Seedprod is installed and you have the ability to create new landing pages on the website? Transcription error, Seedprod, but it'll get it. It can. Let's try it out. Can you create a new modern looking, bright colored, use a white and red color combination to create a new landing page? Think of a wonderfully designed website or landing page for a dog meetup. Download a couple of images, go wild with the design, no restrictions. Just create a new form for registration using WP Forms and embed it. And let me know if you have any questions before it. And let's run the prompt. So for the registration form details, exactly the fields you mentioned, make sure to add them. For event details, just keep them placeholder and make sure to publish it and return the link so I can check it out on my website. Use any relevant skills you have to design the page. One important thing I'd like to mention is that when you're building the Seedprod landing page, use Seedprod native widgets. Don't create HTML elements. Important point of clarification to do because in my previous test, it used HTML to create the landing page, not Seedprod widgets. And Claude and WP Vibe have just finished the work. By the way, it did something, it fixed it or searched for itself, fixed the own issues, and then now the page is live. And I'm going to click the page link for the first time. Let's test it out, how the page looks like. And this is a wonderful looking login, or I say a page for a dog meetup, all done completely with no instructions or not me touching any of the pages at all. So that's how powerful WP Vibe and the combination of any of your AI agents or LLM or AI is. You can do tons of stuff. Imagine all the things you've been putting off on your website because you didn't have the time, reviving old blog posts, checking leads, because you can actually extract leads from WP Forms as well, and updating your blog posts, or just doing so many different things is now completely possible with the help of AI. So make sure to check out WP Vibe and experiment, because the more plugins you have, the different abilities will get exposed with WP Vibe, and you can actually automate all of your boring manual labor tasks in WordPress. The link is below in the description. Make sure to check it out. And as always, if you have any suggestions or comments, leave that in the comments about WordPress, and we'll make videos about them. You're watching Yuvraj from W Beginner, and I'll see you in the next video really soon. Take care.